Shalom, dear friends. Wonderful to be with you again today. I'm coming to greet you for a Shabbat Shalom. It's going to be Shabbat very soon. I want to show you something today because it's important that you know what's happening here in the land. Okay, and I'm going to show you. And look, what is that? Olives. They are growing. Zetim in Hebrew, okay? Zetim. And I wanted to just to speak a bit about Shabbat because it's Shabbat today. Shabbat. It's 3 letters. You know, we spoke about the root of the words in Hebrew. So it's Shin, Bet, and Tav. The last letter, Tav. And Shabbat, when I show you the olives there, Shabbat is also the name. Shin is also Esh, fire, and when you look at Shabbat, like Shalom, okay, we have the light of God on that day. He went to rest. He worked for 6 days. He created the heaven and the earth, but on Shabbat he rested. And can you believe one day when we were doing some studies, suddenly I realized saying, it's like from the beginning, Shabbat has stayed. We didn't follow Shabbat before because we didn't know. But suddenly I realized that Shabbat has been always going through the centuries and millennium. And when Shabbat is Shabbat, and God is resting with us. What he wants is again a relationship with him and us, and we can be with his light, because this is the thing which is so important for him, okay? So this is just wonderful to know that Shabbat is so important. Shalom, Shabbat. And the bet from Shabbat, bet is also house. You see, we have homes, we have a house, and we can be there, and it's where the family are together. It's a place where we are together. God is creating his light, but he created also a makom, a place so we can be together. And at the end for Shabbat, letter is Tav, and it's also from Emet, and it means that truth will prevail. And like Shabbat is carry on, and God carry on to do his work, and we will, when we do Shabbat, we really proclaim that Emet, that the truth will come and will stay and will be established on the earth. Isn't it amazing? Hi Yora, Shabbat Shalom. Hi Vinit, Shabbat Shalom. You see, people love here to really say Shabbat Shalom to each other. It's like a greeting. You work all the week, and now we are going to rest. And obviously the family can't be together now because we're in a lockdown, but God can always be with us. So this is a wonderful thing. Now, another thing also that I wanted to tell you, do you remember yesterday I was telling you some Jewish people are organizing a challah bake, and we make challah for every Shabbat. By the way, let me go to see mine because it's ready. Let me to see it and to show it to you. And so we are going to do a challah. I'm going to turn it around so you can see it. And I'm showing to you. See my little challah? Isn't it beautiful? And it's round right now because it's at the beginning of the year for Rosh Hashanah. So we do it round because it's like a cycle. Hi, Angela. So we are going to do a challah bake. It will be on Zoom. I'm going to give you again all the details. And we're going to be together. It's just amazing. All around the world. And learn to make the challah. And after break it together and eat it together. And this is representing the substance that God is giving us. And like for every Shabbat, we bless God, we bless we bless God who provide for us, and we are going to do that again like in few hours. And so you are all of you, you are invited to do this Zoom. It will be just amazing. And I will send you also some information, because you can even download a booklet. So you have all the way how to make the challah and all of that. And we are learning together. Isn't it amazing? Okay, you know what? Shabbat, obviously the Jewish people are keeping it, but God rested. And it's in Genesis, right at the beginning of Genesis. And there was no Jewish people yet. So they are keeping it to show us the way. But God rested and is teaching us all around the world that we can have Shabbat with Him. That is something for humanity. And we are discovering that. We discovered with Martin in 2003, so it's a while ago already. And more we learn, more we love to do Shabbat. The taste of Shabbat is just wonderful. And this is great. So, from me, and my little Chala, who is here, and Martin, who is still walking downstairs, we say Shabbat Shalom to everybody, and we send you plenty of blessing from Zion. See you. Bye.